looking for the most beautiful baby frock designs for 2026? Today I'm sharing 8 stunning crochet and knitting designs that you'll absolutely love. Keep watching, your favorite might be right at the end. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to RS Knitting, the 8 most stunning baby frock designs of 2026. Today I have handpicked 8 gorgeous baby frog designs from soft pastels to bright summer colors. Each design is unique and perfect for your little princess. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new design. Alright, let's start with design number 1. Strawberry Delight. A yellow and white striped frock with strawberry appliques. Red strawberries with green leaves on a soft cotton base, paired with a flared skirt, perfect for summer, light, breathable, and absolutely adorable when your little one walks. Design number 2, Rose Garden. A blush pink rose frock, delicate brass motifs across the bodice with a layered ruffle skirt, ideal for parties and birthdays. The pink yarn paired with cream-colored roses creates a stunning contrast. Design number 3, Daisy Dream. Mint green with white daisy details, fresh, clean with that perfect spring vibe. Great for casual everyday wear. Light cotton yarn gives your baby comfort and style both. Design number 4, Butterfly Beauty. A lavender butterfly frock, twirly skirt, beautiful butterfly wing details on the bodice. When your baby spins, it looks pure magic. A dream design for photo shoots. Design number 5, Sunflower Sunshine. A peach sunflower frock, bell-shaped skirt with warm golden sunflowers motifs, perfect for autumn vibes. Use a wool blend and it works beautifully for winter too. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying these designs, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I share new baby design, knitting, and crochet designs every week. Also, drop a comment below telling me which design is your favorite so far. Now, let's continue with design number 6, Starry Night. Sky blue starry frocks, silver sparkles, stars scattered across a flowing skirt, perfect for winter evenings. Wool yarn keeps it warm, while the stars keeps it dreamy. Design number 7, Sweetheart. A classic red heart frock, beautiful heart motifs on the bodice with a pleated skirt, timeless and elegant, perfect for Valentine's Day or any special occasion. So friends, which design was your favorite? Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one. Happy knitting! Allah Hafiz!